driving along Virginia 42 on my way to Chestnut Ridge. Very much appreciating the beauty of the countryside on the way there. Some photos that I've taken along the way. Here I am with the truck stopped, and I'm trying to appreciate the view of the mountains surrounding me. There are two mountains. The road is surrounded by two mountains. Here it is at the trailhead for Chestnut Ridge. And here's the start of the AT, the Appalachian Trail. Here's a Google Earth flyby of the first part of the hike. And some more photos on the trail. And here's the ridge. Here we are hiking up Chestnut Ridge. About 1 mile left to the top. Here's the second part of the Google Earth flyby. Well, at this point on the trail, you get the appreciation that you're really walking along a ridge line, just the left side of the ridge. Trail, and there's the right side of the ridge. I think I still have about 400 feet of elevation gain to gain before I reach the top, about 3/4 of a mile. Well, it's just 91 meters left of elevation gain, and roughly about 500 meters to the top as the crow flies. So just a little bit more up this ridge. Here's Walt KK4DF on his way down from the summit of Chestnut Ridge. Here's the third part 3 of the Google Earth flyby all the way up to where the shelter is on the summit. Well, here's the summit of Chestnut Knob, and there's a shelter up on the summit itself, and there's a big clearing with a great view of the mountains surrounding it. So I'm gonna go up closer to this shelter. Well, I set up my radio inside the shelter, and there's the transformer, and there's the antenna set up on a tripod thing. Hope you can see that.
Is it working all right? Is she in Kansas as well?
Yeah, they live in the same house.
Oh, cool, okay. They're talking over the radio. So do you talk in Morse code? Well, good luck with your radio antenna, sir.
You too. It's Andy. shelter. There's Patrick, NE2P, celebrating his third mountain goat.